In this video, I'm going to teach you how to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iPhone. So, technically, you cannot directly restore a Google Drive WhatsApp backup to an iPhone because you will need a third-party tool like Mobile Trans or Tenorshare iPhone transfer to perform this cross-platform transfer. So what you can do is if you actually head over here to your three dots and clicking on your settings, you can find right here the option for storage and data. In there, you can see your data option like auto download quality and the likes. However, if you want to actually back up your specific account, you need to have access to other options like the Tenorshare iPhone. Head over to your browser right there, and from in there, searching here for Tenorshare iCare, and then from in there, make sure to actually install this particular application. And in here, it should be able to allow you transfer on your WhatsApp using this particular method. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.